Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Owatos. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and share with your lovers. This is an update on the ongoing construction of the train station at Agege, Lagos, Nigeria. This is one of the stations on the Red Line corridor. The train station is built right beside the Babatunde Fashola train station. The Babatunde Fashola train station is one of the stations on the Lagos-Ibadan railway corridor, which means the Red Line and the Lagos-Ibadan station are in the same compound, which will give passengers options to pick from. The Red Line is a 37-kilometer line that runs from Agbado and terminates at Oyingbo, Lagos, Nigeria. The Red Line, which has 8 stations, which are the Oyingbo train station, the Yaba train station, the Mushin train station, the Oshodi train station, the Agege train station, the Agege train station, the Iju train station, the Agbado train station. But at Agbado, the Latif Jakonde station will be used for both the Red Line and the Lagos-Ibadan railway services. The Red Line will be sharing track with the Lagos-Ibadan railway services from Agbado to Ebute Metta, and from Ebute Metta to Oyingbo it will have its own dedicated line. The train station has the same structural design with the Iju train station, the Mushin train station, etc. There's a train platform like every other station on the Red Line corridor where passengers alight and board the train, and also the train platform has a pedestrian bridge which will be linking the movement of passengers in and out of the train station. There's a pedestrian bridge here at Agege. The bridge will help pedestrians to cross the rail track once the Red Line is fully completed. The rail track will be closed and pedestrians can only make use of this bridge. Trading on the rail track will also be banned. When completed, the Red Line will provide employment for thousands of Nigerians and boost the state economy to facilitate the movement of citizens across the state. Thanks for watching this video up to this extent. If you love this video, please don't forget to subscribe and share with your loved ones. We'll meet in the next one. Peace.